Good day. How are you today?
Good day, sir. I'm doing well, thank you. There's a bit nervous, but also excited for this opportunity.
That's normal. Let's start. Tell me about yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Charijeng Peñas, a Bachelor of Science in Agroforestry student from Caraga State University. I have experience in fieldwork, data collection, and leadership through my academic and organizational involvement. I'm a hardworking and organized person, and I'm eager to apply my skills in a professional setting.
And how do you manage your time?
I manage my time by setting priorities and following a schedule. I make sure to finish important tasks first and avoid procrastination.
Tell me about a challenge you face.
One challenge I faced was balancing academics and leadership roles. I overcame it by being disciplined, managing my time well, and staying focused on my priorities.
What is your strength?
My strength is being responsible and organized, especially when handling multiple tasks.
If your strength is being responsible and organized, can you tell me about your weaknesses?
Sometimes I take on too many responsibilities, but I am learning to manage my limits and prioritize better.
How do you handle overlapping deadlines?
I handle overlapping deadlines. I break tasks into smaller parts and focus on urgent deadlines first. I stay organized and make sure to complete each task on time.
And what kind of leader are you?
I am a supportive and responsible leader. I listen to my team, encourage cooperation, and make sure we achieve our goals together.
And how do you handle the stress?
I handle stress by staying calm and um, focused on what needs to be done and try to solve problems step by step.
And how do you work in a team?
I work well in a team by communicating clearly, respecting others' ideas, and doing my responsibility properly.
And what motivates you?
My goals and my desire to grow motivate me to keep improving and doing my best.
What can you say about your skills?
During my studies, I developed strong skills in communication, teamwork, and also problem solving. I also gained experience through our thesis, which helped me become more responsible and detail oriented.
Okay. And how do you handle criticism?
As a student and a leader in our community, I take criticism as an opportunity to improve. I listen carefully, reflect on it, and apply the necessary changes because I believe feedback is important for personal growth and professional growth.
Last question. Why should I hire you?
You should hire me, it's because I am responsible, adaptable, and willing to learn. I have experience balancing academics and leadership roles, which helped me develop discipline and time management. And I can contribute positively to your team.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for the opportunity. I'm looking forward to working with your team.